Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best table protectors that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something heat-resistant, waterproof, or just an elegant way to protect your tables, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Newbridge Quilted Waterproof Table Pad Protector. This table protector combines a quilted vinyl top layer with a polyester flannel backing, which provides excellent cushioning to protect your table from spills, scratches, and heat. Measuring 52 by 90 inches, it's versatile enough to fit most rectangular tables and can be easily cut to accommodate custom shapes like ovals. The design is simple, yet effective. The quilted texture on top adds a touch of elegance, while the flannel backing ensures a non-slip grip, keeping the pad securely in place. It's also foldable for easy storage, making it ideal for occasional use during parties or gatherings. However, at 1.21 pounds, it's lighter than some competing products, which may make it prone to shifting under heavy tablecloths. In terms of performance, this pad does well for everyday protection, especially against water rings and minor heat. However, it's not suitable for extremely hot dishes unless paired with additional insulation. While its lightweight design is convenient for storage, some users might find it less durable compared to thicker options. It's a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-clean, and versatile table protector. The downside? It's not as heavy-duty or heat-resistant as some of the other pads on this list. At number 4, we have the Quality Table Pad Protector by Tablecloths by Design. This product is all about durability and premium protection. Crafted from a blend of vinyl and polyester, it creates an effective barrier against everyday mishaps like scratches, spills, and heat. Measuring 90 by 54 inches, it's large enough for most dining and kitchen tables, making it a great choice for families. This table protector stands out for its modern design and leather-like texture, which adds a touch of sophistication to any table. The flannel backing ensures that it stays in place, while the thick, cushioned surface provides added protection. One of its biggest strengths is its versatility. It works equally well outdoors for patio tables and indoors for dining rooms. In terms of performance, this pad does a commendable job of shielding against moderate heat and liquid spills. However, it's not entirely heat-proof and may not withstand direct contact with hot cookware. The wipe-clean surface makes maintenance easy, but the lack of a non-slip feature might be a deal-breaker for those using it under lighter tablecloths. Overall, this is a stylish and functional option for anyone looking to protect their table without compromising on aesthetics. Taking the third spot is the Low-to-Floor Table Protector Pad. This heavy-duty pad is designed to handle the wear and tear of daily use, making it a fantastic choice for families with kids or pets. Made from thick vinyl with a flannel backing, it offers excellent protection against scratches, spills, and heat. Measuring 72 by 54 inches, it can be easily cut to fit any table size or shape. One of the standout features of the Low-to-Floor pad is its heat resistance, which can handle hot dishes without warping or discoloration. The flannel backing prevents slipping, while the smooth vinyl top ensures a wrinkle-free surface for a clean and elegant look. This makes it an ideal choice for both casual meals and special occasions. However, while the pad is durable and easy to clean, it's not completely immune to heavy stains or deep cuts. It's a bit heavier than some competitors, which is great for stability, but might make storage slightly cumbersome. Overall, it's a solid pick for anyone looking for a reliable, heat-resistant table protector that balances durability and style. Coming in at number 2 is the O-Step Decor Clear Table Protector. If you're looking for a transparent solution that blends seamlessly with your table's natural aesthetic, this is the one for you. Made from high-quality, BPA-free PVC, this clear table protector is safe for food contact and measures 36 by 60 inches with a 1.5 millimeter thickness. The transparent design is perfect for showcasing the beauty of your table while still offering protection against scratches, stains, and heat. It's heat-resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, though you'll want to use a placemat for hot cookware to extend its lifespan. The material is easy to cut, allowing you to customize the fit for your specific table size or shape. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth and you're good to go. While the O-Step Decor Protector excels in functionality and design, its lightweight nature might cause slight shifting on smoother surfaces. Additionally, it's not the best option for those seeking a more cushioned pad. Overall, this is an excellent choice for anyone who values aesthetics and wants a versatile, easy-to-maintain table protector. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the LovePads Clear Table Cover Protector. This product is a crowd favorite, and for good reason. Made from BPA-free PVC, it's both eco-friendly and safe for families. Measuring 36 by 60 inches with a 1.5 millimeter thickness, it's thick enough to stay firmly in place, yet transparent enough to let the natural beauty of your table shine through. The LovePads Table Protector stands out for its versatility. It's perfect for a wide range of surfaces, from dining tables to office desks and even countertops. It's heat-resistant up to 176 Fahrenheit and can easily be trimmed to fit tables of any shape, rectangular, square, or even irregular. Cleaning is effortless. Just wipe it with a damp cloth and it's as good as new. The only minor downside is that it's not ideal for extremely hot dishes without additional insulation. However, its combination of durability, ease of use, and sleek design makes it the best overall choice for most households. Whether you're hosting a holiday dinner or simply protecting your furniture from daily wear and tear, the LovePads Clear Table Cover Protector has you covered. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which table protector you're thinking about buying, or if you have any questions about the products. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, take care and happy shopping.